If every animal species were reduced to just one individual, which one would survive the longest? Not the strongest, not the smartest, and probably not the one you expect. Let's define the rules. There is exactly one individual left of every animal species. No reproduction, no cooperation between species, only natural conditions, time, and survival. This is not about winning fights. It's about lasting. Number 10, the elephant. Immense strength, massive size, but also enormous needs. Without a herd, without stable food and water sources, the largest land animal becomes one of the most fragile. Power means nothing if it cannot be sustained. Number 9, the giraffe. Perfectly adapted to a very specific niche. But specialization is a weakness when the world becomes unstable. Number 8, the rhinoceros. Thick skin, few predators, but extremely slow reproduction and high environmental demands. Survival favors flexibility, not armor. Number 7, the wolf. Highly intelligent, highly social, but intelligence that depends on a pack collapses when the pack is gone. A single wolf is no longer what evolution prepared it to be. Number 6, the tiger. A perfect predator, but perfection requires constant success. One injury, one missed hunt, and perfection ends. Number 5, the bear. Strong, omnivorous, adaptable, but still bound to seasons, territory, and large energy demands. Adaptation helps, but it has limits. Number 4, the cockroach. Famous for survival, low needs, high resistance, but even cockroaches rely on population numbers. One individual is far less impressive than the myth suggests. Number 3, the kangaroo. Efficient movement, low water needs, but highly dependent on specific ecosystems. Resilience is not the same as universality. Number 2, humans. The smartest species on this planet. Masters of tools, planning, adaptation, but almost all of that depends on society. Technology, agriculture, cooperation. One human alone is far less powerful than we like to believe. And number 1, the tardigrade. Almost invisible, almost indestructible. It can survive extreme heat, extreme cold, radiation, vacuum, and decades without food or water. While others need the world to stay stable, the tardigrade simply waits. This experiment reveals something uncomfortable. Survival is not about dominance, not about intelligence, not even about complexity. It's about how little you need from the world when the world stops caring about you. Which result surprised you the most? And which species would you expect to survive longer?